In today's video, I'll be giving you a LucidLink tutorial. Now, just before we jump in, if you do decide you want to try out LucidLink when we're done with this video, we've got a link for it in the description of this one, so definitely check that out. Alright, so of course the first thing to do would be to go to lucidlink.com and just download LucidLink. So once you've downloaded it, let's install. Make sure to accept everything and just hit next as you go. I do believe it automatically installs on your C drive, so make sure you have space. And when you're done, just hit finish. Click on yes so that it can restart File Explorer, and then it should open up by itself. Alright, so let's set up an account. So just click on register at the bottom here, put in your email, then create a password and make sure to follow the rules. Confirm your password and hit create account. Now they'll send you a verification email, so just check your emails for that and just click on verify email. And then you can just say open on desktop. Alright, so here we are. Let's create our first workspace. So let's give it a name. Again, make sure to follow the rules over here. And now we need to create our file space. Again, same naming conventions as previously. And now you can click on high performance since we are not on the enterprise plan. We need to choose our region. So choose the region that's closest to you. Then choose the location that's closest to you. I only have one option. And then click on create file space. Okay, so it could take a few minutes to set up the file space. Let it do its thing. Alright, file space is set up. Let's click on that. And then we want to click on connect. Okay, so now our file space is officially online. And if I click on open file space, it literally makes its own file space on the drive. And anything we drag into here will upload. Let's drag another one in here. And there we go. You can see those are now uploaded. Alright, so now we need to do some inviting. So let's go back to the workspace dashboard and click on invite members. And then you want to put in the email address of the member you want to invite. And then press enter and click on generate invite link and then copy the invite link. And then you just need to email that copied link to whoever. All they need to do is paste that link in their browser and hit enter. So now on the other person's device, if they have LucidLink already installed as we did earlier, they'll see this once they've used that invite link that you emailed them. And all they need to do is also click on connect so they can connect to that workspace we've created. And now you can see they can open file space from their device. And there you can see the files are active. I failed to realize that there wouldn't be any media player on here. So unfortunately I can't play these, but they will generally work pretty much fine as long as you have a decent internet connection. Okay, going off of the virtual machine and back to our main machine here. If you need to resend that invite link, all you need to do is go to the three little dots here next to your workspace. Click on members, and here you can see the active members. And you can see there's three little dots. So if you need to send the link, you would go to pending and then do the same thing. You'll see resend invite link. And you can also remove members from inside here, as well as change their roles and so forth. And that's pretty much the gist of what I wanted to show you, just how to set it up, how to get started. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. If you do want to try out LucidLink, we've got a link for it in the description of this video right here. And I'll see you in the next one.